Carlton.
If you should hear.
Yes, my people, hold it now.
Something about me. Come tell it to me.
Wheel out the Carly B. Hold on the Carly. Hold on the Carly. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure to present the legendary Carlton Livingston. Welcome to Original Dancehall Thursdays. Sing!
Don't follow rumor.
Hands in the air!
Don't follow rumor.
Hands up in the air!
Wheel.
Up there! Whoa! Rubber dub Thursday, big up Lady Ann.
You see, hold on, sit again. Whoa. Men a man of the New York over the years, right? No keep up, right? Holy. So here is. If you should hear something about me, come tell it to me. Come tell it to me. Don't follow what no one say. They're only trying to tear us apart. So don't follow rumor. Don't follow rumor. Yeah. Yeah. Now if you should hear something about me, come tell it to me. Come tell it to me.
Sing up, people, sing up!
Don't follow what no one say. They're only trying to tear us apart. So sing it. Don't it will tear us apart. Don't follow rumors. Don't follow rumors. It will tear us apart. I say don't follow those rumors. O'Neal, big up. Big up. You say, hold on, sit Ladin. O'Neal, mad respect. Because you know, when we there Franklin Town, only a little boy run up and down Cambridge Street. So, big up O'Neal, run the track. Mr. DJ. Hitch it and come again. Hitch it and come again. Hitch it. Hitch it. Hitch it. Mr. DJ. Have you ever heard about my love? She packed her things and walked out on me. She says she's going away tonight, and I know where she'll be heading to. So I will worry because I'll lose her. She's going to my best friend. My best friend. She's going to my best friend. My best friend. Please, Mr. DJ, play this. It's your next tune. Get hustling. We smoking. No joking. We burning. We smuggling. Oh yes, listen. 100 meter carry. Wheel and come again.
Wheel out! On the Original Dancehall Thursday, you get this. Sing Carly.
Get hustling. We hustling. Yeah. 100 meter Cali weed coming from St. Anne's. St. Anne's.
Well,
We kill them destroy them, pulverize them, annihilate them. We destroy them. Oh yes, listen. 100 bucks a dub plate, Sizzler did murder them sound, jump and sound. 100 bucks a dub plate, we kill a idiot sound, idiot sound. Listen. Can't afford to get disrespected, disrespected. And so we kill our jump and sound. Oh yeah. The other sound boy, I play splice the plate, splice the plate. I saw we run them through the gate. Yeah, 100 bucks at next tune.
Whoa!
Next tune. Listen. Trotting through the jungle.
Whoa!
Well, call it.
Hold on, the mackerel. Billy Slaughter, hold on, come here, Billy Slaughter. Baddest thing a Stone Love, and that, yo. And that's a singer, man.
Legend and legend in bad though. Say yes. Yeah man, big singer for years. Big up yourself.
Listen. Trotting through the jungle with chalice in hand, having no fear of no Babylon man. Trotting through the jungle with my chalice in my hand, having no fear of no Babylon man. And if you just can't take it no longer, I've got to go back home. And if you just can't take it no longer, I've got to go back home. I've got to go home. I've got to go home. I've got to next to. Whoa, look but don't touch. Look but don't touch. She said, look but don't touch. Hey mister, look but don't touch. Whoa, look but don't touch. Hey mister, look but don't touch. Listen. It seems like you have a fidgety end, and it looks like you have some kind of plan. But I won't be no lamb to no slaughter. So she turned away with her laughter, and she says, look but don't touch. Look but don't touch. Hey mister, look but don't touch. Whoa, look but don't touch. Next tune. Stir Girl special, them two tune. Run the tune. Smile with me, talk to me, and let me understand. Listen. As I wake up in the morning and I see your face smiling, boy, joy, boy. By the look in your eyes, I know you were crying. Hey, girl, tell me wrong. What's wrong, my darling? Yeah. All it takes is a moment of understanding. Girl, talk to me, girl. Yeah, talk to me, girl. Talk to me, girl. Yeah, talk to me, girl. Yeah, 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 You better talk to me and let me understand.
Pull it up there, Mr. Selector. Carlton Livingston. Jano, they are great. Good prestige, never left prestige. Sing, Carly.
But before I sing the next song, it kind of sound weird for Mackerel call me Carlton Livingston. Because all these years him call me Carly. The very few people call me.
People, I man Johnny Osborne, our father, America, them take care of we. You're a real man, this. If me have a sister, me a look a husband for her, I him me would have like. Wee.
All right. Run the truck. All right. Ooh, yeah. All right. It's gonna be a hot summer.
Why? Lord God, Carlton. Every time I hear you sing, remember Clive. Big up Clive. They tell you, man, them know what Clive.
Look at the
Little
crossroad
Minty.
man them.
London.
Listen. Family. Have you ever, have you ever been in love? Have you ever, have you ever, have you ever been in love before? Whoa, yeah. It's gonna be a cold, cold, cold winter. It's gonna be a cold, cold, cold winter. Why yo, why yo, why yo, yo.
Pull up that one, you Carly B.
Teach them. Hey, yo, hello. Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them.